Hi everyone. I just wanted to come on here and tell you that I am retiring from videos and from my Instagram page. I will not be adding any more videos or pictures. It's been a rough couple of years. I've been traveling to Illinois like every other month to stay with my mom for a couple weeks to help her out, give my brothers a break. My son moved out of the state, so I visit him. I've been visiting him the last couple of winters. I spend the winter with him, so I'm gone for like 3 months. We both work from home, so it's really great. My grandkids like to visit me in the summer, so they're here for a week several times. So that doesn't leave a lot of time for making videos. Last year was super stressful because I tried to keep up with making the videos whenever I could to have videos to post every week, and it was way too much. Every single bit of free time I was making countless videos. I did not even like painting my nails anymore, like for fun. I never had nail polish on when except for to do the video, except for when I visited my son. I took some bottles of nail polish with me and I painted my nails, and it was nice and relaxing, and I really liked it and I really enjoyed it. So that's kind of what I want to do now. Just paint my nails for fun and get some stuff done around my apartment and relax in my time off. Definitely I want to relax. So I made the decision not to make any more videos. I'm going to leave my channel up in case anybody finds it and wants to watch old videos. I might make some playlists if I have time. I don't know. Girly Nails 66, Suzanne, she will be continuing with Stamping Saturdays and all the other ladies that join in. I've had fun, but not so much in the last couple years. Hasn't been fun. So for me anyway. Just too much work. Anyway, so you'll still have those Stamping Saturdays and follow those ladies. That'll still be good. Then I just want to give you some tips before I part my way. Always use a stamping polish. My two favorites, I have some of my favorites pictured right here. My two favorites are What's Up Nails and Hit the Bottle. And I do like Moyra stamping polishes too. But these are like two of my favorites. Hit the Bottle has always been my favorite. And it's always good to have two different kinds of nail polishes. Hit the Bottle, I tend to have all the colors. Also, I decided to try their black and white, which was really good. Then What's Up Nails, I got their black, and it's really good too. What's Up Nails seems to dry like a touch slower, and then Hit the Bottle, so that's not a bad thing. You don't want it to dry too slow. You don't want it to dry super fast either. But anyways, it's always good to have two different brands. I have two different brands of black and two different brands of white. Those are the ones that I use the most. Because if one black doesn't work on your stamping plate, try another one. It might be the lines or something. The one polish might dry a little faster than the other. It might be something like that. Something simple like that. Use a really good stamper. I love the ice cube stamper for everything. And I've tried a lot of stampers. But my go-to is the ice cube stamper from Maniology. And also the Supersizer stamper from Moyra. And you can get the Supersizer stamper and the Supersizer stamper refill when What's Up Nails has it in stock. You can also send them an email if they're out of stock in it, and they might, I sent them an email and then they sent me an email when it was back in stock. And I got it that way. Also, I will always use Maxus Finito Top Coat and Maxus Base Coat. I just feel that my nails are so much better with Maxus, and I have been using them for videos and everything. And, a bottle of, Top Coat and Base Coat lasts pretty long. My discount codes are still good, so they'll be in the description of this video if you need to grab those. I also use Zoya 3-in-1 remover. That is a nice remover. It removes everything. Glitter nail polish, It's really great. Plus, it doesn't dry out your nails or your, your skin or on your nails, whatever. It doesn't dry anything out. What I usually do is I will put some Remove Plus on a cotton round, wrap it around my finger, and use one of these little soaky things and put it on my nails. And then I'll go sit somewhere for like 3 minutes, watch some TV. And then when I take it off, I just, push down, and the nail polish, glitter polish, everything just comes right off. Holo Taco is my favorite cleanup brush. I've had them forever. I've never had to replace a cleanup brush. Just a little tip is when you're done using your cleanup brush, wash the tip with some soap and water, and you shouldn't really have any problems. I've never have. So, and always use a sticky base coat. Put it on top of your nails, wait till it dries down so it's slightly tacky, and your stamped image will come off of your stamper easier. And then use a smudge-free top coat before you top coat with your regular top coat, because that does protect stamping and nail art. Well, with that being said, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to everyone who's been watching my videos. I appreciate you all. And this is goodbye, and thank you.